Hi everyone, this is the trade breakthrough video for the pair GBPUSD. This trade was today and it was a 4 hour trade, 4 hour entry. And let's get into the review. Okay, so here if you are seeing this in monthly time frame, you can see prices nicely respecting. Uh, Actually, it hasn't tapped this monthly APG, but this previous monthly candle bullish closure confirms that okay, the next immediate DOL in monthly time frame will be the previous month high. Okay, so this confirms that price is currently bullish. That's all in monthly, but in weekly, if you are seeing it, you can see that price is neatly respecting each and every PDRS in a bullish fashion. Okay, but in weekly, if you are asking for any key level means there is no key level in weekly, but we can see based on candle signs, the price is being bullish and it is targeting for all the swing highs or previous candle highs routinely. Okay, this was the trade area. In daily, if you are going there, in daily you can see that price has balanced all this FEG and it has formed the next FEG here. Okay, but if you are just focusing it somewhat deeply, here you can see this FEG's third candle is an expansion candle, which confirms that most probably this FEG could become a breakaway cap. Okay, so initially we were expecting for the price to come and tap into this FEG, and had it happened, then this would have been an A plus a daily bullish OB. But that was not the case. Price what happened is it just came down, but not into this FEG, and immediately bounced back higher and closed above this bearish candle. So to some extent, this could be considered as a daily bullish OB, not an A plus OB, but a sort of 60 to 70% kind of bullish OB. Okay. If this daily FPG has been tapped means then this would have been an A plus daily bullish OB. But since this was not the case, but the price has engulfed this bearish candle, to some extent we can consider this as a daily bullish OB. And the daily bullish OB's validity also been confirmed by the next candle. See this candle. This candle has tapped into this daily bullish OB and it has closed higher, which confirms that price has respected this daily bullish OB, and there is more possibility for the price to take out this swing high, and this ideally this previous month high. So this previous month high is our immediate DOM. So our trade plan was like we need to position ourselves in a 4 hour key level because daily OB has already been tapped, and if you are just focusing on this singular daily OB, the daily candle, based on candle signs, this confirms pure rejection. Okay, so if this was the case, then there's more possibility for the price to continue higher rather than coming down all the way down to take out this low, and then rather than moving this way, there's more possibility for the price to continue straight away from this open and it can go higher. So this was our initial trade area. Okay, now if you're going to 4 hour, if you see here, you can say that this is the daily FPG which we saw it already, and the price hasn't tapped this. But even before tapping this, price has given a bullish displacement above and it has formed a bullish order flow line. See, consecutive bullish FPGs after balancing these FPGs. This swing high, this swing low, this everything has been engulfed by this singular candle, and it also confirmed with a bullish FEG. So this confirms that okay, price is not willing to go down till this daily FEG, and it has changed its mind to go higher directly from this rebalancing. Okay, so this confirms that price has been in a bullish stand, and here if you are seeing it somewhat deeper, this is our current dealing range, and if you see this, wait a minute, I'll draw the film and show you. Here, the drawing the film here, here you can see that this is our OB because this window has been taken and it has been engulfed by this bullish candle. So we can treat this as an OB. And within this dealing range, you can see that price has nicely retraced and it has took support in this OB and it has gone higher. Okay, so since this is our parent OB and all other OBs which has formed from this parent OB can also be considered as an bullish OB, 4 hour OB. So this was our trade plan. Okay. So price first took its support from this parent bullish 4 hour OB and then followed by this OB. And after tapping into this OB, this is our key level. This doji candle is our 4 hour OB key level, and this is where we plan for entry. So while we were analyzing the chart, we saw price has engulfed this with a green candle, and these two candles are engulfed by this silver candle. So we took as an key level these two candles as our 4 OD, and we plan to take long entry from this price level. And this is what you are seeing here. And but we haven't gone further downwards. Okay. As soon as we saw this 4 hour key level being bombed after, during London Open, we confirmed that okay, price is ready to take off, and we thought that okay, this could be a valid key level. But after the entry has been triggered, while going down, we came to know that wait a minute, we came to know that okay, yeah, this is the entire key level. Here you are seeing it here. Yeah. So this is our entry level. And after our entry has been triggered here, we saw that the CVDR and Asia low is being intact. So we were in an idea that okay, we have our entry has been triggered here, but there is also a possibility our SL was here. So while price was retracing here, we were in a mindset that okay, there's more possibility for the price to come down further, and it could take out our SL, and then it can go again in our favorable direction. Okay, but we were ready for that. But anyhow, since it has engulfed with this green candle in a bullish manner, we gave a chance. We gave a chance and we took this entry. And yeah, luckily, price has worked in our favor. And immediately, if you are just drawing a film here again, this is the film which has taken this. This is our film low and this is our film high. So if you're seeing it here, we're just focusing somewhat deeper. Here you can see after taking out this CVDR high, price has retraced down. During this initial retracement, we were confident that okay, price can take support from here and it can go down, so go up. But when this bearish FET has formed, it became a 50-50 entry because this confirms the drastic bearishness in the market, and there is also a possibility for the price to take the resistance from here. It can come down, and it could have taken out our resistance. There is also a possibility. But there is also another 50% possibility. Like, okay, this is our current 50-minute dealing range, and here if you can see that, here you can see that price has came down drastically, and this candle's rejection gave me some kind of confidence. Okay, it is kind of respecting this 701 level, and it has taken a rejection from the 786 level. Yeah, these are all still, I can say that these are all values. If the big players are not considering these as values, then still they can reach down all the way down and could have taken out our asset. But this initial pullback or this initial rejection gave me some kind of confidence. Okay, there is a possibility for the price to move in our favor. And as soon as this candle closed above, in a bullish manner, it gave 50-50. Okay, still we can hold the trade, or we were like, okay, since it has formed a 50-minute FEG, there is more possibility for the price to recover this itself, and we were ready to close the position. But since we saw some kind of reduction in these crucial OTE levels, we gave a chance, and yeah, this is how the trade played out. And yeah, I will show you the real thing, real entry as well. And this is the real trade which we took today morning. And I would say this is the shortest 4 hour trade which we have taken so far. A single 4 hour candle expansion. And yeah, this is the trade which we took. And open price was 1.55358, and the close price was 1.356. This 1.356 is nothing but previous month. 1.3949, we kept as 1.356, and 3595, and as expected, price reached the level. So that's all for today, guys. I will meet in some other video. Thank you.